Well, good morning, everybody. So, on this episode of Good Morning Mechanic, I am trying out these really cool Astro tool torque limiting extension set. These tools are really good for limiting the max torque that you're applying to a bolt using these flexible bars right here. So we're going to test these out, and there are some pretty interesting results. The affiliate link is down below if you want to actually purchase a set of these. Also, the link down below if you want to buy a t-shirt, a Good Morning Mechanic t-shirt from our Shopify. Why don't you pour yourself a cup of coffee, sit down, relax. Let's get into it. Well, good morning, everybody. So I'm out back with the project truck, and I just want to make a quick video. No, I still have not finished the back end, but let me show you what I'm doing. I showed you guys these before. So these are the torque limiting extension set from Astro Tools. So what they do, if you look here, each one of these in this set, and this is a nice little set, it has this torque spec. So this one says 140 pounds. So in theory, when you're spinning on the bolts, you can use the full Ugga Dugga, which is what we're gonna do. You should only tighten them down to the torque spec. This one's upside down. The impact we're using here is this DeWalt DCF 88.9. Okay, so quick Google says that this DeWalt impact should have up to 400 foot-pounds of torque. So what we got is we have our torque wrench, our half-inch torque wrench. We got some lug nuts, and we are going to test this thing out and see how accurate these are. Because in theory, if I torque it down to 65, when I put my torque wrench on, it should click at 65, right? Let's give it a shot. So here in super slow motion, you can actually see the bar kind of twist and torque, and it's designed to do that. Once you get it to a certain foot-pound of torque, it's designed to almost like flex and break like that. All right, so we put the Ugga Dugga gun on, and we're gonna go to a little bit less. We're gonna start at 50. All right, let's see if it tightened to 50. All right, it did. Let's go up to we're gonna go to 64. Yep. All right, we're at 70. Did it tighten to 70? Now this was only supposed to go to 65. Tighten to 70 to 80. Can we move it? All right, we're at 90. There's no way, dude. You're at 110. Ain't no way. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try this again, because I don't think this works. I'm gonna loosen it up, and then I'm gonna tighten it, and we're gonna full send to 65. Okay, now if this clicks, then it's at 110. Okay, it moved. We're gonna lower it down back to 70. See if it clicks. So it did not move. It did not click, which is good. All right, so let's go down to 60. See if it clicks. We're gonna go 64, and this is supposed to be 65. Yep, so this one worked. The second test worked. I don't know what we did wrong to the first test, but all right, let's try a different bar. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna loosen it up. All right, and we're gonna send her with with 100 foot-pounds. You can kind of tell here, this bar is a lot stronger, a lot tougher, and you'll see once it starts to catch that it actually just keeps going. So this one might be a little tighter than 100. All right, so what's cool, you'll see in the slow motion, is that the bar seems to flex, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to set this to 100 foot-pounds. Let's see if it clicks. It clicked. So we got to at least 100 foot-pounds. Let's go to 110. Oh, I think it did the same thing. I think we sent it too hard. All right, we're up to 130 foot-pounds. All right, we're going to crank it up to 140. This is going 150. Hopefully it's not at 150. Oh my gosh. Okay. And this is only supposed to be 100 foot-pounds, and it definitely did not work. But the other one did work. So, you know what? I'm going to try. Let's try and not full send it, because clearly it's just a little much. Let's like half send it. All right, so maybe the key with these is to not send it all the way. We're at 90 foot-pounds. Nope, didn't even get 90. I'm gonna send it just real fast. Okay, let's see what that does. Right, we're at 90 foot-pounds. Nope, didn't get 90. Huh, it's interesting. So that was a little bit of an interesting result. Some of them worked, some of them didn't. So, but they both, when you full sent it, they definitely over torque that lug nut. So I'm gonna go through here. I'm gonna retorque everything down. Let me know in the comments if you guys use these. I'm gonna put a link below to the Amazon store if you guys want to buy some. I definitely think they would help. Maybe if you put the light one on, like the 65-pound or the 50-pound, and gave it to your apprentice so that they don't over torque the lug nuts. Maybe the gun. Maybe I'll try next time I do this video. I'll try the air, the impact, see what that does. It could just be the gun is kind of forcing them to torque harder than they're supposed to. I don't know. It's a pretty powerful impact. So let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you want me to do more of these tool test videos. Thanks for watching as always. Have a good morning.